In a recent interview that I did with Deidre Ramsey McIntyre uh, related to the launch of the EOS platform, I mentioned BitShares as another blockchain that was running off the Graphene technology, also developed by Dan Larimer, as an example of why I thought that EOS is going to be a very exciting and productive and new technology, blockchain technology. But I did want to show you guys a little bit about BitShares and why uh, I'm really impressed with it, and talk about some of the features, briefly talk about some of the features, and see if that kind of sparks your curiosity as far as the potential for this technology already, which is what I consider a prerequisite to some of the things that EOS itself will be able to do. So I'm just going to start off with um, by saying that BitShares there is a token, so there's a BitShares token, but BitShares is also a decentralized exchange, also known as a DEX. Sometimes they're called DAX, Decentralized Asset Exchange, and all of the transactions as far as um, the selling of one asset to acquire another asset, all of those things are done on the blockchain. One of the things that I like about EOS is that it has um, a feature of market pegged assets. And what a market pegged asset is sort of like, so right here, this is the Bit USD. So this is a market pegged asset, the market that's pegged to the value of a dollar, of the US dollar. So basically their definition is BitUSD is a derivative that tracks the real value of one United States dollar. It is 100% decentralized, trustless, and backed by collateral held by the blockchain in a smart contract. Now, that lets me know that within BitShares, in addition to the cryptocurrencies, which have, as we know, they have major swings in price, um, this platform also has pegged assets that are pegged to a more stable currency like BitUSD, like the US dollar, I'm sorry. Also, a more stable assets like silver. BitSilver is a derivative that does the same thing, but it does it with silver as opposed to the US dollar. There's also BitGold, and um, there are what's known as user issued assets. So you could create your own coin on here. You could create an asset that represents a portion of an entity, sort of like a stock, and it could trade against the US dollar or any variety of pegged assets that they have associated with other cryptocurrencies on this platform. Um, Another feature would be another thing that I like about this decentralized exchange is the speed. So you guys are familiar with the Explorer for like Ethereum and or like Bitcoin, where you can go and see all of the transactions and you can see the block confirmations as they're happening in real time. So right here where it says last block, we are seeing block confirmations happening in real time. So it's fast, very quick. You definitely want a very fast technology when you're trying to execute trades, and this is what BitShares gives us. So this was just one of the things that made me excited about EOS, because a lot of the technology that's in BitShares and in Steemit, like delegated proof of stake and the graphene technology, is in EOS. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Tell me what you think. Is anyone using BitShares right now? Right now, you can use BitShares as a downloadable standalone executable application, or you can use it through a browser, either one. So you guys let me know what you think, and if anyone's using it, let me know how you feel about it. Thanks.